How to connect Squarespace domain to Google Workspace. So first, of course, you need to create an account here on Workspace. And then what you're going to do on your Workspace website, you have to go to the settings, tap settings here. Here, you need to scroll down and then tap this domains and email. Then you will see this Google Workspace right here. So what you're going to do is you have to click this one and then connect your Workspace. But here's the thing. You need to get a domain in order for you to connect that. And if you want to know how to connect your Squarespace to your Workspace, and if you want to know if you're eligible for that, then you can go to the Help Center. Here you can scroll down and look for this "Am I eligible?" and you will see the following requirement and instruction here in order for you to continue or connect your Workspace. So here, one thing for sure, you are not using the basic version. You're using the upgraded version of your Squarespace. So as you can see here, am I eligible? You must have a trial site or paid site. You can have a Squarespace 5 site. You must have at least one custom domain. You must live in a supported country. If you don't know the details, so you can click this one and know which countries are this, and you can't use a domain that previously had or currently has a Google Workspace. Okay, so as you can see, I open this, and in order for you to know the names of supported countries, and then you should see the following. Okay, if you think that you're missing one or you are not using the paid version, then I strongly suggest that you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to connect. Because you cannot proceed if you're using the basic version of your Squarespace. And if you're living on any of this country right here, then basically you cannot also connect your Squarespace to your Google Workspace. So upgrade your plan and then get a domain in order for you to connect your Squarespace to your Workspace. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.